Hey everyone, I want to do a quick review of the precision toolkits that you can get off of Amazon. As you can see, I got 5 of them here. What I use these tools for is taking apart phones, laptops, TVs, etc. I know I don't do it by trade. I'm actually a chiropractor by trade, but I do like to fix things. Ever since I was a little kid, I've taken things apart and put them back together, and usually they go together and are fixed. So let me talk to you about what I found here. So as we look at this, and we'll go from the least expensive to the most expensive. This kit right here is the Exual one, $9.99, 4.5 stars out of over 1,000 reviews, and a 62 piece. If all you need is a simple kit, this is the kit I'd go with. It's the least expensive. It has the majority of the tools that you're going to need for working on most electronics. So this is the tool I would go with, the set I would go with if all you need is the tools. Now, what I like about this kit is, as you open it up, the handle here has a retractable head, so you can actually do an extension, and it locks out of the different extension, and it also does have the snake tool, or the flex tool. And you can see it has this extra set of bands, and I like that you can actually remove the drawer, so it's easy to take the stuff out. And this head is actually magnetized. So for $10, this is the one I go with. The reason I am not going to go with this one is because in order to hook it up to my battery powered tool, you need this adapter right there, which is $5. Which brings us up to the next one, which is the Oriya. As we look at this one, it's basically the same kit as this one, but it does come with the little adapter. I'll show you how this works. It goes into here, and now you don't have to sit there and twist everything. It'll come out with this. Now I use this on all my things that I deal with, so this is the kit that I go with if you want a kit that just has the bare minimum tools that what you need. I do like this kit, so between these two, if you need the adapter, I go with this one. If not, I would go with the $9.99 one. This is Oriya. It's $14.99, and it's 4.5 stars, has 12,000 reviews, and it's 60 piece. As we go up to this one, this is the floor guard. So this is a $5 jump, and I really do like this kit right here. It has quite a bit more heads than this one, and the case is nice. It is a little bit difficult to get the heads out of here if you have big fingers, but it has the magnetizing and demagnetizing tool, and then it has a whole load of picks. So if you play guitar, this would be really good. Or if you use it for prying things apart, then we turn it over, and you can see it has suction cup, same handle as these, flex rod, the adapter for a hand tool, and it also comes with a nice pair of tweezers. So as we can see this, so for the same price of this one, I would go to this one. So now we have a choice between this one and this one. Again, I'm not using this one because it doesn't have that part. This is the kit that I really wanted to like. We go up, it's the Hang Time Mai or whatever, and it's $18.99. It's 5 stars, 45 reviews, and it's 128 piece. I really like how it's packed up, nice and compact, folds up into a magnetic case. But as I started using this, first of all, the black on gray is really hard to see what piece you're going for, and it's hard to get anything out of this. You basically have to use another tool to get the tools out, which is good. I guess you wouldn't lose it. And then there's a magnetizing part. I did like this headpiece, the hand piece, the best. Very well built. Not sure why it really matters, because you can't put a whole lot of torque on these anyway. They're not strong. They're made for precision. And it does come with tweezers, pry bar, 2 different pry bars, and the flex head. Thing I do not like is this bag right here. It would be great for marbles or something, because it is so tight. It's hard to get this thing in and out. So you can see that's very tight, but very cool how it folds up. Now we go to the most expensive one. It's made by Kasi. It's $19.99, 20 bucks. 4.5 stars, has over 6,000 reviews, and it's 126 piece. So 2 pieces less than this. I'm not sure what the extra 2 pieces this one has, but as we go through this, you can see this one's very complete. It has all the bits that you could possibly need. It has the magnetizer, demagnetizer, has the adapter for fitting into my handpiece. And I do like how it's easy to get each one of these out. You just kind of lift up and pull. Has pry tools, has tweezers, has a brush for cleaning, an extension, has the cheapest handle of all of them, but I'm not that concerned about that because I do use that. And it does have a couple guitar picks, and it has a suction cup for removing glass or plastic. So as we go through these, which one am I going to choose? Well, my dad always taught me that it's better to have a tool and not need it than to need a tool and not have it. So because of that, I'm actually going to go with this set right here. It has every bit that I could possibly need, has the adapter for fitting into the tool. This handle's okay, but I don't even use these anyways. I use that 99% of the time. Would be nice if it had one of the extension handles, but it doesn't really concern me that much. So I'm going to go with this one. Now, if you don't care about hooking it up to a battery powered tool, once again, I go with this one right here. Save yourself $10. Great, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them down below and I'll be happy to answer. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.